13.2 16th. In a hostel, 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper, 40% read English newspaper, and 20% read both Hindi and English newspapers. A student is selected at random. Find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English newspapers. And here, if she reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability that she reads English newspaper. If she reads English newspaper, find the probability that she reads Hindi newspaper. We will discuss this after discussing 17 and 18. Now see 17th one. The probability of obtaining an even prime number on each die when a pair of dice is rolled. Suppose a pair of dice is rolled. That means 2 dice are rolled. So what is sample space? 1, 1, 1, 2, etc. 1, 6. Like that there are 36 sample points. Find the probability of obtaining even prime number on each die. What is even prime number? There is only one even prime number, that is 2. So we want to get 2 on both the die. That how many cases are there in 36 sample points? Getting 2 even prime number means there is only one even prime number, that is 2. So we want to get 2 on both the dice. That means only 2, 2. Only one sample point favorable to this event. So 1 divided by total number 36. So the probability is 1 by 36. Getting even prime number, that is 2 on prime, even prime number, that is 2. Only one case, 2, 2, 1 by 36. Now 2 events, 18th one, 2 events A and B will be independent. If, in which case you say A and B are independent. Can you say if A and B are mutually exclusive? Can you say that they are independent? Mutually exclusive means A intersection B null set, probability of A intersection B 0. But in the case of independent events, probability of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. They are entirely different. So not this one. Now, probability of A equal to probability of B. Then also, if the probabilities are equal, then also we cannot say that they are independent events. If P of A plus P of B equal to 1, then also we cannot say that they are independent events. But see B, P of A dash B dash, A dash into B dash means probability of A dash intersection B dash. That is equal to 1 minus P of A into 1 minus P of B. What is 1 minus P of A? That is P of A dash. So this is equal to P of A dash into P of B dash. That is the definition of independent events. If A and B are independent, A complement and B complement are also independent. So if A complement and B complement are independent, A and B also will be independent. So probability of A dash into B dash equal to P of A dash into P of B dash. So this is the correct answer. B, option B. Now see question number 16. So in question number 16, see in a hostel, so here what is the experiment? In a hostel, some students here read Hindi newspaper, some students read English newspaper, some read both newspapers. And what is the experiment here? One student is selected at random from the hostel. One student is selected. And what is the probability that, now we have to find the, in that case, that is the experiment. One student is selected from the hostel at random. And we have to find the probability, first probability. What is the first question? A. We want to find the probability that that student selected reads neither Hindi nor English newspaper. So first we can name H. H be the event. The student selected reads, H denotes the student selected reads Hindi newspaper. Hindi newspaper. Then E be the event. The student selected reads English newspaper. English newspaper. So this is the event H and E. H means the student selected reads Hindi newspaper. E is the event the student selected reads English newspaper. Now first see the first question A. What is first one? Find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English. That means the required probability equal to what in that case? The required probability equal to reads neither Hindi nor English means what? Probability of neither Hindi. That means H dash. Neither Hindi nor. Neither nor means A dash intersection B dash. H dash intersection E dash. So we want to find this. Now we can apply De Morgan's law. That is equal to, see here they are not independent events. Not given that they are not independent. They are independent. They are not independent because see their probability of here some students read Hindi, some students read English, so they are not independent. Now here we want to find this. So we apply De Morgan's law, that is H union E. H union E whole complement. By De Morgan's law, A dash intersection B dash equal to A union B complement. That is equal to probability of A dash equal to 1 minus probability of A. That is 1 minus probability of H union E. So probability of H union E complement equal to 1 minus probability of H union E. Now we know the formula for H union, probability of H union E. So that is equal to, how we can write? Now here, so H, this one. Now we can find what is probability of H. Probability of H means the student selected reads Hindi newspaper. What is the probability that when one student is selected from the hostel, what is the probability that that student reads Hindi newspaper? See, in that group, 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper. In that hostel, 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper. So when one student is selected, what is the probability that that student reads Hindi newspaper? That is same as 60 by 100. 60% of the students in that hostel read Hindi. So what is the probability that the student selected reads Hindi newspaper? 60 by 100. That is 60 by 100. And what is probability of E? What is the probability that student selected reads English newspaper? Here in that hostel, 40% of the students read English newspaper. So that is 40 by 100. And what is probability of 20% read both Hindi and English? So probability of E intersection H equal to 20% read both Hindi and English. So that is the one. Now we can substitute here. So that is equal to, this is equal to 1 minus in bracket. We can apply the formula for probability of H union E. That is equal to probability of H plus probability of E minus probability of H intersection E. Apply the formula. So substitute there. That is equal to 1 minus probability of H, this plus this minus this. That is 60 by 100 plus 40 by 100 minus 20 by 100. That is equal to 1 minus 60 plus 40, 100 minus 20, 80 by 100. That is equal to 20 by 100. That is equal to 1 by 5. So that probability equal to 1 by 5. That's the first answer. Now see the second question. If she reads Hindi newspaper, if she reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability that she reads English newspaper. So if it is given that, if it is found that, so that is conditional probability. If she reads Hindi newspaper, so that is conditional probability. So what we have to find? So we want to find B. If she reads Hindi, find the probability that she reads English newspaper. So which is given event? She reads, if she reads Hindi newspaper, that is given. H is given. We want to find the probability that E, probability of E. So we want to find probability of E given H. This is the required probability in the second question. If she reads Hindi, see Hindi, if she reads Hindi, that is the given event. If she reads Hindi, then what is the probability that she reads English newspaper? Probability of E given H. That is equal to probability of E intersection H divided by probability of H. That is probability of E intersection H, 20 by 100. 20 by 100 divided by probability of H, 60 by 100. So 100 cancel, 20 by 60, that is 1 by 3. 20 by 60, 1 by 3. Now see, if she reads English newspaper, find the probability that she reads Hindi newspaper. So what we want to find? Probability that she reads Hindi, probability of H. Given, what is given? If she reads English, so given E, probability of H given E. So we want to find probability that, probability of H given E. So conditional probability, probability that she reads Hindi, given that if she reads English newspaper, so this event is given. If she reads English, so this is given event. probability of H given E equal to probability of E intersection H or probability of H intersection E, both are same, divided by probability of E. Probability of E, that is equal to probability of E intersection H, 20 by 100, divided by probability of E, that is 40 by 100. So that is equal to 1 by 2. 20 by 40, that is 1 by 2. Okay.